our sponsors, Yucatex, Gatorade, Secret Fresh, PCSO, The Shawarma Shack, 747 Live, Ongpin, Protein God, Solaris, Silent Tires, Motivated Studios, Beast Motorcycle Tire, Uncle Drew's Sports Center, M Vision Media, Esprit Clothing, City Hoops Trophy, Gentleman's Essentials, PBA Motor Club, Motor Clyde, and this event is supported by Congressman Marvin Rillo.
Okay. The House of Cola in black.
Team Puso, for 2.
Good afternoon once again mga ka-motivated. Dito tayo ngayon sa Amoranto Sports Arena para sa ating Motivated 3x3 Season 4 Business Cup. And this is the semifinals, the battle between Team Puso and the House of Collab. Kanina ang nanalo doon, syempre ang Uncle Drew Pilipinas. Sila, kung sino ang mananalo dito, yun ang makakatapat ng Uncle Drew sa finals, mamaya yan.
Yes.
David Morel using his speed advantage against Ken Bono.
Itong game na to talagang crucial para sa both teams.
Foul called on Team
Nice
Puso.
Nice fight ni JV De La Cruz para kay Henry Iloca inside. Nakita niya nag-seal si Henry Iloca na mismatch itong si
Kurt
Hall.
Pero iba din ang kalibre mamaya nito ni Kurt Hall. Nakita naman natin yan dun sa kanilang mga nakaraang laro. Morel susubok against Ken Bono.
Evenly match talaga tong team na to, no? Yun lang. Sa ilalim talaga. Iba talaga yung malaki, no? Kaangat mo lang, easy points.
Bartlett nakawala against JV De La Cruz. JV. Now to Ken Bono against Morel. Off to the left.
Rebound, Team Puso.
Bola ngayon na kay Kurt Hall.
Team Puso.
Morel na naman.
Sayang.
Ken Bono with a rebound. Foul called on Team Puso.
It's a great move except for the shot.
Nang hinayang si Dave Morel. Nagandahan din siya dun sa galaw niya, kaya lang anything but the shot.
JV De La Cruz, nothing there. Here comes Jordan Bartlett. Kurt Hall sets the pick, kicks it out. David Morel gets it to go! Si David Morel ang mainit ngayon.
Yes. Ang hirap bantayan ni David Morel pag pumapasok yung 2 points niya. Nakakatakot yun.
Kinabahan ako.
Oo. Pag dumive sa atin si Ken Bones,
That was a nice save.
Baka-
He wasn't that aware of his time.
tatawagin natin yung medic.
Puso.
Kailangan natin tawagin yung medic nun pag si Ken Bones yung tumakbo dito, yung
Buti
dumive,
napigilan
diba?
niya yung sarili niya.
Buti may break pa. Buti may break pa si
Nakapagpreno pa.
Ken Bones.
Morel na naman. Short. Belenjon has it against Kurt Hall.
Oh, may bagong player itong Team Puso. TH Tumalip. Isa rin tong veteran
Oo.
sa 3x3.
Tsaka
Dating
magkakasama
PBA,
talaga
no?
sila lagi. Nila
Yes.
Ken Bono at saka ni JP Belenjon. Tsaka nito ni JV De La Cruz. Hall on the attack.
Foul called on the House of Collab.
Kurt Hall showing his might, his grit also. Talagang gustong-gusto niya umiscore. Dinahandahan niya si JP Belenjon. Inside, nakakuha naman siya ng foul.
Kurt Hall has it. Short on the free throw.
Yung unang first business cup kanina, medyo hindi pa sila foul. Ngayon, di ba? Ginagamit
Siyempre.
na talaga nila yung foul. Medyo alam natin talaga nagiging crucial na itong game na to.
Score 6-5 in favor of Team Puso.
De La Cruz. Ganda ng depensahan dito. Iloca knocks it down.
Meron
Ano
yan.
mababatayan yun?
Coming again.
De La Cruz in and out.
Sayang yung flyby ni TH Tumalip.
Belenjon steps back. Two-pointer won't go. Control tap to JV De La Cruz.
Nakita mo yung tap ni Henry Iloca, yung IQ niya para kay JB De La Cruz.
Jordan Bartlett knocks it down from distance. Iloca na naman, exploiting the defense of Kurt Hall. Kurt Hall against Belenchon. Kurt Hall, wala yan. And there's a foul on JV De La Cruz.
Nahuli, tumulak.
Tough shot yun.
Ang bilis ng pace natin, no?
Nice separation. Ang ganda ng
Now
ginawa
you
ni
see me, now you don't.
Team Puso.
Grabe yung hesitation, no? Step back, hesitation. Makita niya, going forward si JP Belenchon sa kanya. Atake ulit.
Trying to go inside, penetrate,
Hirap na galaw yun, ha?
make something happen for his team, whether inside, shooting,
Si
or
Hezi.
passing it. This time, going up against the big guy.
Masyadong
Yun
malawak
lang.
yung range ng depensa dito ni Henry Iloca.
Team Puso.
Ito, pumasok ulit si TH Sumalip. Ito, nag-import na 3x3 sa Singapore.
Definitely yung experience nito ni TH Tumalip is on another level. As the two-pointers knocked down by JV De La Cruz.
Grabe, no hesitation para kay JV De La Cruz.
Morel against Belenchon. Morel has it.
Nice pass inside.
Tamang na naman ni Henry Iloca. Hands it off to JV De La Cruz. 6 seconds to work with. Belenchon against Morel. Belenchon.
Grabe yung mga 1 foot ni JP Belenchon, no? Pero yung mga akala mo hindi mo na maititira, naititira pa rin niya.
Off balance lahat.
Oo. Hirap yun.
Finally, nakascore na din. Here comes De La Cruz. Gustong bumawi.
Grabe. Bawian ng bawian itong game na to.
TH Tumalip. Basic na basic.
Yes.
Make the pass, but went all in.
De La Cruz, mainit. This
Check.
time it won't work.
5 minutes.
Iloca sets the pick. Iloca.
Nice pass.
Oh, slam dunk.
Slamma jamma.
Yes.
Crossover.
Kurt Hall, a series of moves. Ni Kurt Hall.
Grabe naman. Another dunk by Henry Iloca.
Kawawa naman
Bawi
yung
na
ring
naman.
natin. Nakabawi na naman. Itong si Kurt Hall.
Foul called on Team Puso.
Grabe, no? The dunk si Iloca. 3 points naman, 2 points naman to si Kurt Hall.
That skills right there. And we got a
Talagang
timeout.
kung sino talaga may gusto manalo para sa finals mamaya. Nakita mo talaga yung dalawang teams ayaw magbigay kung sino talaga yung gustong manalo.
Timeout has been called by Team Puso. They're trailing by 1 point. 15-14 is the score. 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining here in this game. And James, ito so far yung pinakadikit na laban natin sa Business Cup.
Talagang importante na kasi yung game na to eh. Talagang, syempre kung ikaw sasali ka sa isang liga, gusto mo, champion talaga yung target mo, di ba?
De La Cruz short on that one.
15-14.
How's it go there?
Chance to extend it.
Belenchon! Spotted away by Kurt Hall!
That's what you call it.
Grabe na yung galaw ni JP Belenchon pero nandun pa rin si Kurt Hall, help side defender. Akala ni JP Belenchon
Nakawala na siya.
libre na siya, oh, pero nandun si Kurt Hall.
55 seconds. 15-14 in favor of the House of Golab.
And they're trying to play, attacking.
Bartlett against De La Cruz. The step through. Bartlett ties the game.
Everything and anything.
15 all. my goodness! Henry Iloca, you are a bad man!
Pero mapapalamang daw ang foul, sabi ng ating referee.
And we are having a
Are you kidding me, Henry Iloca? Kanina patutok-tutok lang to si Henry Iloca. Ngayon pala,
There's a holding foul call.
kakawawain yung ating ring.
Taking outside. Good defense right here. Nowhere to go.
Morel has it
Team Puso.
against Belenchon. Morel.
And
But there's a foul called on TMD House of Cola.
defense picking up right now. 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
15 to 16 in favor of the House of Cola.
Is he gonna go for an ice?
Bartlett.
He's gonna go all the way. Spinning.
On an island with his man.
Foul called on the House of Cola.
Grabe yung intensity dito, James.
Nailalim lang pala yung foul na yun.
I would, if you would agree, James, no, na best game so far to.
Pwede. One of the best.
Rebounded by Team Puso.
Morel, susubok na naman. Balik ng kalamangan sa Team Puso.
Makukuha mo yan.
House of Cola.
Belenchon, improper spacing on that time para sa team or sa the House of Collab.
Foul call right there. The intensity of motivated 3x3.
Grabe yung Dave Morel din, no? Big shot yun para sa kanila.
If I'm not mistaken, pangatlo, pang-apat niya na yan. Belenchon, now to De La Cruz. 6 seconds to shoot. Nothing there.
Rebounded by
Bola
Team
na kay
Puso.
David Morel. Susubok na naman siya. Morel, nothing there. Iloca, the rebound.
All by himself.
JV De La Cruz, mag-isa!
No defense.
Back and forth action we go. Belenchon for 2.
Di mo pwedeng iwan yung De La Cruz na ganong kalibre.
Kurt Hall, nakawala.
Team Puso.
Game is tied.
Team Puso now.
Belenchon.
Someone's down.
Henry Iloca, basket, go!
Foul called
But there
on
is a
Team
foul.
18.
Yung Team Puso humihingi ng charging, no? Yung illegal screen. So hindi naman nabigay yun ng referees natin.
Initially, there was a travel, no, kay Belenchon.
They're letting them play, eh. So ang ganda kasi nung laban nila, eh.
Rebounded by Team Puso.
Game is tied. 9 seconds to work with. Kurt Hall against De La Cruz. DH to Malip. Nothing there.
Second chance, another one.
Kurt Hall na naman. Kurt Hall! Basket and beyond. Flex those muscles.
Bono.
Cleaning the mess, Kurt Hall.
The rebound, the putback with the foul, and a bonus free throw.
Miss backs out para kay De La Cruz.
Parang secret fresh.
Pero wala ka na rin magagawa doon kasi laki nito ni Hell,
Lapat
eh.
nito
Oh.
ni Kurt Hall.
Talagang kahit i-box out mo yan, kukunin lang yan sa taas, eh.
Steve Puso. A chance to extend the lead. He does it.
One more point till the last ticket to the semifinals. Iloca. 1 point lang. 1 point lang.
House of Cola.
Kurt Hall, the attack. Kurt Hall. They can end this. Ken Bono going inside. Nothing there. David Morel gets the rebound.
Final shot for the game. 9 seconds to shoot.
One more to win. Morel. It is over. It is over.
Okay, and for the best player of the game, we got
Big shot after big shot. Itong si Dave Morel, no? Buo yung loob. Walang kakaba-kaba.
Unfazed.
Grabe.
Unitexcom game highlights.
David
David Morel.
down the wire.
knocking it down from distance. Big time players making big time plays. The game went down to the wire, down the stretch. But the team, once again, with more field goals on the outside, has a lot of chance, has the bigger chance to win this ball game. Gaya nga ng sinabi mo, the importance ng outside shots.
Tingnan mo yung tira ni Ilocos kanina, 1 point lang, stepping siya. Mag-iiba sana yung story yun kung 2019, di ba? Tama?
Yung labanan ng
David, I was
import
really
dito,
amazed with your hard work
James.
to get this level.
Dunk
What
versus
do you think you
2
can show
points.
to all our
Bigyan muna
viewers or
natin
supporters
sa ating
who like to
courtside
play
reporter
sport
El
as well?
Chavez.
I'll just say stack your days. It's all about discipline. So day by day you can get better. Hopefully you're always on the grind, but never give up and focus on the goal.
You are such a great leader. Thank you so much, David. Back to you, Charles and James.